Okay, so here I am on Infinite Campus, and I'm just going to show you guys how to edit your class so you can see the grades in your sport. I'm going to come up to the Tool tab right up here at the top and click Campus Tools. And then I'm going to go over to Ad Hoc over here on the side. This is your baby. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the filter designer. But once you get your class set up or your sport set up, all you'll need to do then later is go down to data export and you can pull your class or sport there. So let's go to filter designer and I'll show you how to do this. So we've already designed a filter here under the HS Craig, and we've named it Athletic Grade Check. So you'll notice when you highlight this, you can't edit it. All right, and that's because only Mary has the rights to edit it. So the only thing you're going to be able to do is copy, and so you're going to have to copy this, and it's going to say created copy. Press OK, and then you'll notice right up here. Now in your filters that you can have, you'll have student copy of athletic grade check. Now this we can edit. Alright, notice down here I can edit. So I'm going to go into there and I'm going to edit this. I'm going to set up the filters so it does just what I need to. So let's call this not athletic grade check. Maybe I'll change the name to football. Okay, maybe I want to check football grade check. That is all you need to do here in this window is just name this. Okay. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to do is go down here and click Next. Do not touch any of this stuff. Alright, I have designed it, and Mary and McCormick, don't touch it. Over here is where it gets a little picky. The only thing you need to do is put in your sport number. So what is the course number? It's going to be XTR something or other. Now, if you don't know where to find that, you can come up here and you can see, if you pull a little drop down, you'll see now this stuff over here. So once again, I just push this arrow here and it dropped down, and you can view all of your classes, and there's a little number over here next to every class. All your sports one are going to have like XTR for extra. So anyways, type that number in right there for your sport. It's basically going to pull every kid that is in that sport. Alright. Then the next one is you're going to come down here and I forget. I don't know. This might be baseball for all I know. I don't know what it's set up to right now. But then the next thing is you're going to come down here to where it says teacher full name, and we're going to have you put your last name. Okay, so put your last name there. Notice it says contains, so if you want to put your first and last name, that's fine, but just so long as it's got your last name, it should only pull people that you are in control of, just in case there's two people coaching your same section. And then come down here, and if you are in term 4, which I am currently as I am recording, you're going to want it in term 4. If you're in term 1, you can go to term 1. Okay? If you're in term 2, change it to term 2. Alright? So this will pull term 4 grades. And then down here, the last one you're going to want to fill out is what do you want it to pull as far as grades are concerned. If you want it to be the semester grade, is that what you're looking for? Then you put semester grade. If you want it to be term grade, you want to make sure you push term grade. So this is their quarter grade. Now, this one's very picky. If you don't spell something right, it's going to have hissy fits. So because it's exactly equals, you have to be able to spell it out exactly. So either term grade, that'll give you the quarter, so this would give me fourth quarter's grade, or I'm going to go semester grade, and that'll pull the semester grade. So just be careful on that. I think semester grade only works technically in term 2 and term 4, so if you're not getting anything, just make sure you're in term 2 and term 4 for semester grade. Alright, by the way, on any of this, you can always save and test. Now, I'm not going to push the button just for confidentiality's sake, but if you press save and test, you should get a spreadsheet of what you are looking for. And it should contain a student name, the class that they're in, their current grade and progress for either the term grade or the semester grade, and the teacher of that class. So anytime you press save and test, you'll be able to see that report and see if you're doing it okay. Once you have that set up, just make sure you press save, and I'm going to press save here. And every time you press save and test, it saves too. And then I'm just going to go to data export. And from now on, once you have that all set up for your sport, you don't need to go into the filter designer anymore. You've already designed it. Just go to your data export and go back onto, I wanted football grade check, even though Herbst does not coach football. Forgive me, I don't know what sport that is. And you got your choices here. So once I've selected my filter, you can check either of these options. My suggestion would be CSV. This is going to be Excel, so it's going to create an Excel document and export it all, or PDF report. I highly advise PDF report if you're just wanting to print or just see. PDF is just going to print off a spreadsheet or just a document that gives everybody's grades. So if you just click that and then press export, boom, it'll print it all off. So that's a quick run through on how to do ad hoc for sports check, grade check.